Build your brand and product line with our high-quality offerings. With over 12 years of experience in manufacturing and exporting wooden products, we have partnered with many major clients from the UAE, Europe, and the Americas. Our collaboration process is straightforward and comprehensive. We will reach out to you via email regarding the inquiry you send us. Our sales team is available 24/7 to address any questions you may have. We have a showroom and factory located in Vietnam, where you can visit to explore our products and make your final decision. We are honored to welcome you.